in the eagle pose. That's why you should try to sit on the toilet in a different way. It doesn't matter where we live, who we work with, and what we eat for lunch. All of us, the inhabitants of the planet, do the same thing every day. We all go to the toilet. But oddly enough, not everyone knows how to do this important thing correctly. Let's check if you know how to sit on the toilet with minimal damage to health. How do you usually sit? Somehow, this is not the best position. When the hips are located at an angle of 90 degrees to the body, the intestines are squeezed, and this complicates the natural cleansing process. That's why we have to push so often, and the result can be very sad. The intestines are not completely cleaned, which can cause such unpleasant problems as constipation, infections, hemorrhoids, and even intestinal cancer. A much more natural position when emptying the intestines will be the so-called eagle pose, when the hips are located at an angle of 35 degrees to the body. This is how our ancestors did this important thing. And to this day, this pose remains familiar to residents of many Asian countries. In this position, the process proceeds much more smoothly. In order to try a new pose, you do not need to get rid of the toilet at all. We only need one thing: a small stool. We sit down, put our feet on the stool so that the knees are at chest level, and you can start. Have you heard of such a danger? What do you think? Maybe it's worth a try. Share your opinion in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next story.